like it if you're dreaming of a white Christmas, but nonetheless, we'll be telling you all the details on that in just a second. First of all, let's recap today, if you really want to. Well, it was better than yesterday, look at it that way, as we look at some of the blowing snow that was found across mostly our northern suburbs and a little bit on Long Island. They picked up a little bit of snow there, but the real good stuff, and we're talking 2 feet, folks, that was in northwest New Jersey up into northwest Connecticut. 41 and 33 today, just a trace of snow in the city. 68 in 1931 and 5 in 1988 make our extremes. Well, we're at 34 degrees, so we haven't hit the speed limit yet. The dew point at 30, humidity 85%. Yo, and we're looking at a wind gusting at about 23 miles per hour, and that's, I guess, the best thing you can do when the weather is quite this severe, is try to at least make some fun out of it. Barometer 29.95, and it's rising. Okay, let's look at the area now. You'll see that temperatures are still pretty much near freezing, although they've come up a bit. Kennedy's up to 38 now. We have mid-30s out on the island and about 30 at Poughkeepsie with cloudy skies everywhere. A little sprinkles or spritzes of light snow and some drizzle still found in some places, most of that across into New Jersey. But there's another band that's coming down here in just a second, of snow, that is. We're looking at the real heaviest snow to have been across northwest Jersey. High Point State Park, they seem to be the winner. 25 inches of snow from this storm, a little bit less across the closer in suburbs in New Jersey, where basically anywhere from 3 to 5 inches of snow fell. We had 4.5 inches in Essex Fells. Hawthorne had about 4.5 inches, 5.5 at Scarsdale. About the same at Danbury, actually a little bit more at Danbury, up close to 8 inches of snow, 3 inches for the Connecticut coast, and we're looking at about 2 to 3 inches in Long Island, except only about an inch near the South Shore. Now, here's the concern for tonight as far as the weather goes, and meaning the area band of snow is trying to sneak back in here from New England. You can see that it's, again, on its way towards us. So although things have quieted down for the most part, because that storm is still rotating out off the ocean, it's going to be spinning back moisture, and that's going to trigger another round of some snow tonight. So we do still have a winter weather advisory up for the area for that sort of mixed precipitation. Since the temperatures have come up a little bit, it'll be a little bit of snow and rain mixed in, all snow of course in the northern suburbs. Well, there's the beast, the monster that's been sitting across our area. And the other good thing to point out tonight is that the flooding has been found in the high tide areas tonight, but it's not has been, let's say, as severe as it was yesterday. So still, because there was so much damage, there's been a problem. The coastal flood warnings continue. Again, the damage not quite as bad tonight as in the past. Here comes that band of moisture, but by tomorrow, that storm should finally show signs of getting out of here. So the clouds will keep moving away. And again, this main reason has been this little upper level storm that has sort of captured the storm and left it near us. Eventually, we're going to get into this air, which is dry and some sunshine. And notice where that arrow is coming. That arrow is coming out of the south. That's the warm weather direction, and we'll see that weather moving in the 5-day forecast. So the snow will be reoccurring and then ending. Winter weather advisory. Now that should be not a snow advisory, but a winter weather advisory in the suburbs. Winter storm warning in the far northern and western suburbs. Still that high wind advisory and the coastal flood warning. 33 in town, mid-20s north and west. Tomorrow, look for a cloudy start to the day. Maybe some sun in the afternoon. The high 41 degrees. Still a bit breezy though. Winds maybe up to 30 miles per hour at times. Okay, our 5-day forecast is going to show you that we have about 41 for the high on Sunday, as we told you. 45 on Monday. Look at Tuesday. Look at that temperature, 53 degrees. What a change. 55 on Wednesday, and then some rain on Thursday. That is our latest on the weather, and again, we'll be having updates for you if necessary and a full report again tomorrow night on the